Welcome to Plaiwoo. Today I'm showing you how Häfele smart hardware can completely transform your kitchen, making it more functional, elegant, and ready for any project. Lighting is key in any modern kitchen. Häfele offers LED systems like Lux, perfect for creating warm environments, highlighting surfaces, and improving visibility, while remaining efficient and easy to install. A functional kitchen relies on organization. Häfele takes this to the next level with fine-line systems, vertical pullouts, telescopic pantries, and clever corner solutions, all with premium finishes and smooth performance. Movement mechanisms are one of Häfele's specialties. Soft-close hardware, smart hinges, and hidden accessories maximize space and extend the life of your cabinets, ideal for professionals. If you want a modern, organized kitchen ready for daily use, Häfele accessories are a safe investment. Discover more sustainable materials and premium hardware at Plaiwoo.com. Subscribe, like, and activate notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.